Hi guys, let me show you a complete courier and logistics website built with an highly functional and professional PHP script without writing any single line of code. Yes, it has various features such as
where you can create shipments and tracking codes. Clients can easily come to your website and paste their tracking code on the website to view the status of their shipment, including the current location of their shipment, with a well-designed map that shows the exact location of the shipment. Users can also create accounts and sign in to their dashboard right on your website. They can also view the status of their tracking right from their dashboard, also print their information, the shipment information details, and do many more right from the dashboard.
if you are interested in seeing the full features in practicals and also getting access to the PHP script, then stay tuned as we dive right into it right now. So hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the complete process and the features of this courier and logistics website. I'm going to show you everything that you can achieve with it. As you can see, it also comes with very good and professional layout and designs, and then it has several pages about page, services page, pricing, contact, signing, track, order. So this website was built basically using a PHP script. So and then if you can stay to the end of this video, I'm also going to be sharing you access on how to get the PHP script. And if you also want it built for you, you can also reach out to us. You see our line, you see our number in the description of this video to reach out to us, and we can help you build something like this for your business. So very quickly, without wasting much time, as you can see, there are several pages. We have the about page here, and this script also comes with content. So if you're using this script, you don't need to stress yourself by trying to get content. Every content that are here has been tailored to logistics, courier and shipment websites, so you don't have to worry about where to get your content from. So all you have to do is just to edit everything here can all be edited. So all you have to just edit. So as you can see, those are the pages we have on this website. So and then very quickly also, this is the track order page. Your clients can also track order from the home page right here, and they can also click this button to track order, and then they will be able to track order. But right now we can't actually track any order because we have not yet created any shipment, and that is what we're going to be doing in a few minutes. So now clients can also come here to sign in. That's one awesome feature about this website. So clients can come here, so they do not have any account. They can simply come here to create an account, then drop in their email. I'm going to do that very quick so you can see how the dashboard actually looks like. Agree, then sign up. So now I'm going to log in. Sign in. So it's as simple as that, and this is how the dashboard looks like. And the admin the user can simply come here to his profile to change password or any other stuff. Their information, you can fill in their other addresses, payment history. Now we do not have any payment history because this is a new website. Shipments, we do not have shipment 2 yet, and then new shipment. So as you can see, clients can also come and create shipments. So but before they do that, they have to update their profile, and we are going to be coming to this very quickly. So this is how the user dashboard actually looks like. So now let's go into the admin dashboard, such that if you want to handle this website, this is for the clients, your users. So you as the admin of this website, where and where can you create your own shipment, where can you assign staff, add a lot of other things, the logo to your website, edit your website name, information and others. So now I'm going to show you how to do that. So now I'm going to open an incognito mode because you can't log into a user account and admin account in the same browser. I'm just going to click here and go to new incognito window. I'm going to paste. So I'm going to paste the website. But for you to log into the admin, you need to put in /admin at the end of the URL. So then you just put in your admin details. So I already have admin access, and don't worry, all of this will be explained after you've gotten the script of how to create your admin account and to have access to the admin account. So currently we have two users. The first user is the admin and the second user is the user we just created right now. So this is how the admin dashboard actually looks like. So in the admin we have the overview of which we are right now. You can see the number of users we have, the staffs, and then other stuffs. The offices we have now. I will show you how to create the staff, the offices, gateways, payment, shipment in a moment. So we have the users here. So from here you can check all of the users that we already have, and if you check you see that we only have two users, the admin and the new user we just created. You can also add in a user to your website as an admin right from here. Then we have shippings. So this is where you can view all of the shippings that you have. So it's called placement. This is where you can add new shippings as well to your website. Then as you can see, these are informations for shipment. So we're gonna come back to that in a moment. We have offices. So you can add offices where your shipment is being handled. Do you get? Then we have variety. We have gateway for payment. Then okay, so this is the payment. Okay, payment. This is the payment history rather. Then this is the tools info. This will show your website information, and then the settings is where we set the website names, informations on the website. So we set the logo. This is where we set the currency that will be displayed on the shipment website. This is where we set the email SMTP, the login permissions, and so on. So but because of time, I will just want us to go into the real deal of this video, and which is the shipment aspect, how to create shipment, how to track shipment, how to add the status and every other stuff. So now let's quickly go into that right now. So for us to be able to create our first shipment, so let's come to shippings. Now I'm going to go to add new. So I'm going to open it in new tab. So now let's go down. This is the tracking ID, so it's generated automatically. Then the placement name, can put it whatever name you want to give for your shipment. So these are the ones I've used before: courier service, courier package, whatever name you want to give for your shipment. So I'll just go with courier package, and then you can put in your sender's information here. So there are some things you need to note so that your shipment can actually your shipment creation can be successful. So for this place, it's going to be the sender's information, right from the email address for the sender, the sender's name, phone number, address, and the state and country. So you can get information for all of that for your sender. But what is important, that the email you're going to put here must be a registered email on this website, and I'm going to show you that. Then we have the receiver information. So but we can't actually create shipments before, we can't create shipment yet unless we do some two things that are very important. And this, when you scroll down to details, as you can see, we don't have any pickup office yet, and when you come to shipment staff, we don't have any shipment staff. And if you try to submit shipment, it's gonna tell us that we have to put in some pickup office and then shipment staff. So to do that, so before you can create shipment, you need to first of all set up your pickup office and then your shipment staff first. And to do that, it's very simple. So I'm just going to come back here, then go to offices. As you can see, is the offices. So I'm gonna click on add new. So now let's add an office for our shipment. So for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna use Nigeria as the case study. So but depending on whichever country you are, you can use this for any country, any geographical country. Just put in the address of whichever location you want to put. So I'm gonna put in, so let's assume we are in Lagos. We just put in Lagos branch. You get. So then I'm gonna put in email. So this email can be the email of a support, like support. I believe if you're watching this video, you should know how to create a custom email address for yourself. So something like support at global, or you can create any custom email for the sake of this branch, maybe Lagos branch at whatsoever stuff.com. So you can do that from your cPanel. You can create the email from your cPanel rather. So you can do something like this Lagos branch. And if you're also gonna be hiring us, we can set up all of this for you. But in case you don't know how to do that, I have a separate video that will show you how to create this type of email once you have your hosting and domain. So then the address, so I can just put in an address, probably Maryland, Ikeja, Lagos. So you have to be specific, I'm just, because this is just a tutorial, so I can just, if I have a specific address in Maryland, I can just say number so stuff, then put it there. Then the phone number you want to use for this shipment, so just make sure you put a valid phone number so that your client can reach you. Then the state, Lagos. Status, yeah, I want the office to be enabled. Then this is where you can select your country, and like I said, it is not geographical bound. You can use this website for any country of your choice. So I'm going to look for Nigeria here. So this is Nigeria. So we have an option here. The option is use as main office. So if you want this Lagos branch to be your main office, because you have to have a main office. So under this office, you can actually create several offices. Let me set Lagos branch as our main office. I'm going to click add office. So if you go to view all, you see that we already have a branch. So if you should go to add new again, you see that you can add another branch. So you can add as many branches as possible as you want. So you can add another branch and call it Ibadan head office or Ibadan branch, whatever. You can put in email, maybe Ibadan branch after you've created it in your cPanel. And if you don't even want to stress yourself, you can just put in a Gmail that is accessible. So you just put in an address for Ibadan. I can just say Apata Ibadan or your state. So stuff like that. Then put in a valid phone number that can be reached. Then it's gonna be Oyo State. Then enabled. Then Nigeria. Then we don't want to use this as the main office because we have used Lagos. So I'm just going to click add office. If you should click this, it's going to remove it from Lagos and put it on Ibadan. So let me add it. Now you go to view all here. See that we already have two offices. The first is Lagos branch and the second is Ibadan head office. And you see this star signifies that Lagos branch is our main office. So that's how it works. So now the next thing I want to do is want to go create our shipment staff. So how do we do that? It's very simple. Just come to users, all users. So now among all of the users you have here, who do you want to make as your staff? So now let's assume we want to use this, the admin user. So just click on these three dots, then click on edit. then you can assign him to be your staff. You get. So now we should assign it to be a staff. Sorry, this is not the admin, this is the admin. I'm gonna click on the three dots, edit. So you can assign it to be, you see it's a super admin, to be a staff. So basically you can assign anybody, so you can even assign any user of your website to be a staff. So now if we should come back here to our shipment page and reload, we discover that now we can select a pickup office from what we have created, and we can also select a shipment staff. So it's going to be displayed by the Gmail address that you registered with. So for example, if you want to add extra shipment staff, you can just come here, come here to users, then click on add new. So we want to add new users. So I'm just going to, so what is going to be the username? I just call him staff for the purpose. So then you can just put in staff at, so that the Gmail that is going to be showing will signify that, because this Gmail is going to show in the front end as well. I think it's going to show in the tracking, but whatsoever. So let me just do it. So it's not compulsory that this email should be in existence that you create it, but if you know how to create all these type of emails, you can just create it as well. So, and like I said, I'm still going to show you in a separate video how to create emails like this. Then let me use this password. Add user. As you can see, it says the user account was successfully added. Click here to manage the user account. So now if you go to all users, you see that the new user we just created has been added. So you can just edit it, then use him as a staff, then you just update account. So such that when you want to create your shipment, you can have it here. So you know everything you're doing here, your clients will also have asset. Like when they want to create shipment, they will also be seeing it like this too. But basically you are going to be creating shipment for your clients that they are going to be using, unless you just want your client to be doing it. So I'm just going to choose Courier package. So now let's create our first shipment. So like I said, the email you're going to use here should be one of these emails that we are using, either this one or this one. So I'm just going to go with this. So sender's email, then we'll put in the name for the sender. You can use any name, phone number, address. So for the address, the stuff is actually we are using Lagos. So then the states, then the country. So that's the sender's information. So now let's put in the receiver. So as you already have access to your receiver details, so you're just gonna put in the details of your receiver like this. So I'm just adding these details. So let's assume the receiver is in Ibadan. So probably is in Road. So then the state should be your state. Then country should be Nigeria. Then the address. So where is it coming from? So it's coming from Lagos. Then the destination, where is it going? It's going to Ibadan. Then the city of the origin, the city is Ikeja. Then the country is Nigeria. The city of the destination is Ibadan. Then the country is Nigeria as well. So depending on where you are using, can put different countries. Can be origin can be USA, destination can be UK, Canada, different informations. But I'm just using Nigeria because I'm very conversant with the address here, so I'm just using it. So then pick up office let's use Lagos. Whichever staff you have created you can use. Pick up date. So when should it pick up? So I'm just gonna put in let's make it tomorrow. Then you can select the time here, so you can just make it in round figure, so probably by 12 p.m. Then the departure date, you can also make it tomorrow. So then after that we have the expected delivery date. So when is it gonna be delivered? So it can also be tomorrow, probably by 6 p.m. So then shipment status. So right now, since it has not yet been picked up, it's tomorrow. So we're gonna put it at Q. So the moment it reaches tomorrow with this time, we're gonna come here to change it to picked up, on hold, shipping, and every other status that we have here depending on the status of the stuff. Then the price can be 50. So now the 50 here means dollars, because there's a way to change it to actually add the currency. So if you want to add currency, just come to tools here, settings, then general, scroll down, then you can put in a logo, the symbol of the currency you want to use. So I can just put in the dollar sign here, then I'm gonna save changes. So it's gonna be $50. So then sender's comment can be probably undo package with care, or the with whatever comment you want to put for the sender. Then notify client about approval change. So anytime you change anything here, the client will be sent a notification. So I'm going to show you. So now let's click on create shipment. So as you can see, the shipment has been successfully created. The shipment details was successfully created. View shipment. So this is the shipment. So if you also come to placement here, you see this is the shipment we just created, and from here you can do a lot of other things, like you can edit it. So right now, as you can see, this is the editing area, so you can easily edit everything I've written about the shipment. So this is the tracking ID. So there are still a lot to do, but I just want to show you what we have done so far. So I can copy this tracking ID now. So let me come back to my tab here. So you can simply just paste it here, then click on search. So right now I should scroll down. As you can see, your track details. So let me scroll down. As you can see, we have the sender info, contact name, receiver info as we have imputed it the other time, the pickup date, the status is currently queue, dispatch date, origin, destination, dispatch office, expected delivery. So now there are a few things that we still need to do, like the package information. So we still need to fill in the information of the packages, and then also the contact person. I actually forgot to include this, so I'm going to show you how to put in these informations now. So I'm just going to go back to my tab where I'm logged in as an admin. So let me go to all users. So I'm going to come to staff. This is the one we are using for the staff agents. So I'm just going to edit it. So I'm going to put in the details. So probably like this, the first name and the last name, then the phone number of the particular staff that can be reached for this particular this particular shipment, then the states, so you can leave the address, then you can also add an icon, but it's not compulsory. So I'm just going to click on update account. So now if I should reload, so as you can see, the information has been added there. So now let's add more information about our package. So to do that, I'm going to come back to my admin dashboard. So I'm going to come to, when you go to your placement, to select your shipment. So you're going to click on the edit here. So now we have packages and then we have history. So these are two options, places we can fill more information about our shipments. So now if I click on packages, so here we can add information about the package that is being shipped. So I can click on add package. So here we can add the image of the particular package that is being shipped. So I can click on choose file, then you can upload the image right from your laptop. So let me see if I have any image I can add as a package here. So let me go with this. So now I'm gonna put in the name, item name, probably. So what is the shipment, what you're actually shipping. So we can call it so let's just assume what we have golds in the box. So let's assume we have golds in the box. So the weight in kilogram and then the quantity. So you just have to get the weight of the package and probably gold. You can see, I don't have idea, but let's just say 20 kilogram. Then the variety. So there's something I had to create. So it's called variety. So I'm going to show how to create that now. You see, we do not have option for the variety yet. So we cannot add any package without this variety. So how can we add options for the variety? So just come to variety here. So we can now add variety name. So for the variety in shipment stuff, we have can be probably different categories of shipments of items. Like for example, we have gadgets, like it can be gadgets. So you can add it. So you can add different categories of things that can be shipped. Do you get? So stuff like that. You can add more, probably. So and so on and so forth. So but for the one we want to have, I am just going to put in cargo. So now if we should come back to our shipment, placement, edit, then packages, add package. So you will see that we already have all of the options listed here. So then you can now proceed to finish up our package information. Then you can put in package probably 35 kilogram or whatever. I've gotten the kilogram size. So like I said, it can be goats, add package. So now package has been added successfully. So now if we should go back to our website and then we track the code again, you see that when we scroll down we now have the package information, so users can easily just click and view what they are being shipping, that to view what is being shipped. So now there's one more thing we can also do, and that's so when we go to placement and then go to edit, so once it is the appointed time for it to start moving, you already know how to change the status from queue. So probably it has picked up, you can just come here and change it. So whenever it's on hold, come here and change it. Shipping, come here. So then I want to add one more thing, that's the history. So I'm going to come here and click on history. So I'm going to click on add new history. So history means where has it been to, where is it currently. So that's like to monitor the journey. So before we add the history, so now let's assume it has started moving already. So let's assume it's tomorrow that we have set, and it's no longer in queue but it has picked up. So I'm going to update shipment here. So now I want to go to history, then I want to add new history. So now what country is it currently? So it's definitely still gonna be in Nigeria since it's just within Nigeria. So what state? So now let's assume it's still in Lagos state, but it has moved from Ikeja to probably let's say it has moved from Ikeja to Iyanopaja. Something like this. So and one cool thing about this website, script website, that you can also add a live map into it, such that your client can be able to see the map, the location of where it is, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So for us to be able to enable the live map, so we need to input these two information, the latitude and the longitude of that particular address where the shipment is currently in. So and to do that, so now let me just go to Google. So there's a website called LongLats or LatLong. I don't even know which one, but just search for, let me see. Okay, it is LatLong. So just search for LatLong. So it's going to bring it like this. So all you have to do here is just type in your address. So just going to type in your address, then you're going to come here and click on find. So sometimes you can get this error, but once you get it, just all you have to do is just load, then you can paste your address here again. So though this address I'm using is not very detailed, I just put the name of a place, but in your own case just make sure your address is detailed enough, like the exact number of the particular location, the PO box, or any other stuff you want to add. So but let me just use this. So I get what happened was that the address I was filling is too short, so the system was unable to detect it. That was why it was thinking I was a bot. So I just went to Google now to get a more elaborate address and the right spelling. So I'm gonna click on find again. So you should, let me reload it. So it has worked now. I just had to go enable a VPN, because I don't know why it just kept doing like that. So probably in your case, if it's just telling you bots detected, you can just use a VPN, but normally it doesn't usually do like that. So I'm surprised to why it's doing like that this time. So I've copied the latitude, so I'm gonna paste it here. So then copy the longitude as well. Then gonna paste the longitude here. So then I'm gonna click on add track. So that is it. So now if we should go back to our track, so let's go back to our tracking here. So I'm just going to come here and click on search. As you can see, so now if I should scroll down, we now have our map showcasing where the package is currently. As you can see, Agege right there. So that is basically how to add the live map as well. So that's all about the shipment. And if you have any information you want to edit while the shipment is ongoing, I already showed you how to do that. Just come here to come and edit the info. And another cool thing about it is that you can easily print it, like you can get the invoice, like the receipt of this particular shipment, and that's very simple. So if you go back to our admin, so you go to place, okay, we are already there, so you can just come here to view track. Sorry, not there. So let me go to placement. So this is it right here. So if I should click on print here, so it's gonna, as you can see, it's gonna open an invoice for us for the particular tracking, as you can see. So if I click on print right now, so you see, now you can see it has the full information of our printing details, and you can go on ahead and print the receipt and send to your clients so that they can be legally informed, including the shipping fee. And I already showed you how to change the currency from the general settings and stuff. So that is that, and that about this shipping courier logistics website. If you want to learn how to build it, I'm gonna leave a link below this video linking to the full tutorial on how to build this website using a PHP script. The PHP script is also available. If you check the description of this video below, you will see a link to my seller store where you can get the script for a very affordable price. You also see a link to shout us on WhatsApp as well, in case you need more answers to your question or clarification or support. Once you purchase the script from us, you also be getting our free support in your installation process, and we also have a video guide. Like I said, I'm going to link the video guide in the link of the description below. It's also going to pop up towards the end of this video so that you can click on it. After you've gotten the script, you can use the video guide to install the script on your website, on your hosting, whichever hosting you are using the script to work for you. But I normally recommend Namecheap. So that is that for this video, guys. So thank you very much, guys. If you have learned anything in this video, kindly do me the favor of giving me a like in this video and then subscribing to this channel to get much more videos like this. You can also check out my other videos as well. So that will be all for now, guys. See you in my next video. Bye for now.